I'm going to do a quick video for you to show you what I learned, how I'm adjusting, how I'm staying ahead of fast changes happening online. And I'm setting myself up that when the changes continue to happen, I'm ahead. I'm aware. I spend very little time editing work that need to be changed to follow all the rules, policies, and guidelines. And I experienced something in the past few days that I've never seen before. They're changing the game. Here we go. I am building up my storebuy.shop website. And first, let me show you. See, Clabber Girl? I have this on my website. Now, I was updating because I want to use an image, a text image, custom or text. Well, I went to go use text plus image, and look what populated. Text plus image linked to this page. This product is one of the Amazon Associate Program excluded products. We do not support direct linking to this product. Well, this wasn't available 6 months ago. Did not say this 6 months ago, a year ago. Please direct customers to another product or the category for this product instead. Again, here's another example. Arm & Hammer, I have this on my website, and I went to go grab a text plus image. It says the same thing. This product is one of the Amazon Associates Program excluded products. Now, I read deeper into it, but I can't, I'll be here for an hour if I tell you everything. They say nobody has to give a reason why. The company chooses to do this on Amazon. They don't want us, associates, directing, and I'm going to show you why. And I'm fixing it. Directing directly to this page. They want you to be more broad to the category. And if their product happens to show up, yeah, I'll show you. Let's do it. I'll talk about Baker's Joy another time. How about Arm and Hammer? And what is that? Well, we'll see. Let's see if it comes up. Oh my God, they have so many products. Baking soda, I'll be more specific. Because I got to show you. There we go. They don't want you directing like to the specific product, the product name. They want you to be more broad, like baking soda. And if Arm & Hammer happens to populate underneath the category, a broad category, then that's allowed. That's okay. So I'm making changes, and let me show you what I mean by my changes. On this front page, because I own the blockchain domain, BG Food. We'll talk about that in another video, but I own the blockchain domain. But see how I have Clabber Girl? And it's directing to the direct page. They don't want that anymore. That did not say that 6 months ago. It didn't. So now I'm going to baking powder. Redirect that to baking powder. And because they put this notice up, I won't be using their image. And that's okay. Things like this happen. You have to change with the times. The rules change, like the rules of the game change midway. It's just the way it is. So I will be checking every one of these because BG Foods, they own these products, these brands. And that's stuff you learn. It's just something I learned while building my website. I will be checking every one of these. And Oh, that was something I wanted to show you. And I will be using this kind of ad now instead of an image. That took a lot of work. You know, screen, that's saving an image, linking it directly to the name. If this notification comes up, I'm taking it down. So I might as well revamp everything now. Using this, see this ad right here, Baker's Joy, right there. And here's another one right here. If those don't upload, then you know there's something wrong, so you fix it. So for this name and the other blockchain domain, I'll never forget these two because I've been working on these for a long time, but things are changing so fast. This is a chance of a lifetime, in my opinion. Now let me move forward. That's what I just showed you is so valuable. To help you understand, you must set yourself up to change quickly on the fly because the rules of the game change midway. It's just the way it is. I don't want to get in trouble. I'm a very proud Amazon associate. They want us to call ourselves associates now. Now let me show you something else before I end this video. And I've showed this before. You see these 4 ads here? They're all about baking products. And I'm going to build many URLs on this website speaking about promoting baking products. I had to take a step back and said, what am I going to do here? I got to make this easy. Say in the next year, I create 25 pages promoting baking products like flour and baking powder and cornstarch and yeast. Well, I use the Ad Inserter Pro. And you see here, baking, and I wrote Amazon products before paragraph 2. And then I have the next one, baking, Amazon products before paragraph 3. The next one is 4. And they were on 2 different pages, so I had to do this. The first one, paragraph 1. What do I mean by that? Say I create 25 pages in the next year speaking about baking products. Like I said, baking soda, yeast, baking powder, cake mix, stuff like that. All I have to do is change the codes in these blocks in the ad inserter, and it will change all of these codes here, all on all the pages. I should have had that open. Let me see if I do. Baking powder, which one was that? Baking spray, okay. I do have it open, baking spray. You see here? I already told this is paragraph 1, this is paragraph 2. You click on this, and I click paragraph. Paragraph 1, paragraph 2. How do I know that? I'm going to go back here. When you look at it in the front end, this is called the front end. When you see it like this, this is called the back end. See on top, Ad Inserter Pro, show positions, paragraphs, show positions. Well, positions. I like to choose paragraphs. Right now, that works for me. You see that? Paragraph 1, paragraph 2, paragraph 3, paragraph 4. So later on, when things change and these codes are no longer available and they're switching them and they're creating something new, all I got to do is go into the Ad Inserter Pro, change the code, click Save. You hear me? I hope you learned something from this video. This has been on my mind for the past few days, but creating these videos are time consuming. Setting everything up for a more smooth future of work, more, everything works out more smoothly. I'm getting ready for future changes so I don't have to start from scratch. I'm already in it. I'm in it. And I want to win. And I want to stay on top of it. So be careful. I'll be checking every one of those products. I don't want anyone messing with me. And this is partially due because the new web's rolling out. It's too easy. I can use a picture and direct and make it look like it's a brand. I'm a brand. You can't do that. But you can use the Amazon codes and show that it's you're buying it from Amazon. Oh, and I'll show you one more thing. This is really good to show you. See this one? Text and image? Image. Oh, they all say that. But that don't. But that's not going to be no longer. Let me go back to, okay, baking soda. It don't really matter. I'll click on Pepsi here. Let's see. They might say you can't do that. Image. I tested out image for baking for one of the baking products, and it didn't upload all the way, and custom didn't work. It shows that it works here, but it don't upload. It's not always you. They're working it out. They're rolling out new codes, and you want to get ahead of that. You want to be ahead of it. I'll see you in the next video clip. Bye for now.